Hello students, welcome to Elga online class Unit 4 day 14. Okay, in the previous class we learnt how to break the word into middle, beginning and end. Okay, today class also we learnt how to break the word like beginning, middle and end. Okay, now look at the slide. Okay, see the first word rat, cat, leg, tent, met. Okay, see the board. The first word rat. Okay, guess it. What is the beginning sound? Very good. Beginning sound ir. Beginning ir. Middle a. End sound p. End p. R a p. Rap. R a p. Rap. Is it clear? Beginning sound r. Middle a. End sound p. Is it clear? Now go to the next word. See the next word cat. Okay, cat. Beginning sound very good g. Beginning g. Middle very good a. Middle a. End b. End sound b. K. Sorry, g a p. Cat. G a b. Cat. Okay, beginning g. Middle a. End sound b. Now go to the next word. The next word is leg. Okay, the next word leg. Okay, beginning very good. Beginning l. Beginning l. Middle a. Middle a. End sorry a. End d. End d. L a d. Leg. L a d. Leg. What is the word? Leg. Now go to the next word. Okay, the next word tent. The next word tent. Okay. Beginning very good. Top. Beginning top. Middle a. Middle a. End end sound in. Very good. Top a in. Ten. Top a in. Ten. What is the word? Ten. Is that clear? Now go to the next word. The next word mate. The next word mate. Beginning very good. Beginning middle a. Middle a. End top. End sound top. A top. A top. Mate. What is the word? Mate. Mate. Now look at the slide. See the next words. Okay. Rat, cat, let, tent, mate. We see these words. See the next slide. Ted, sap, lab, yen, net. Once again. Ted, sap, lab, N, net. Okay. Now look at the board. The next word is tail. Tail. Okay. Beginning. Beginning. Very good. Chop. Middle. A. Middle. A. End. Top. Top. End. Top. Top. A. D. Top. A. D. Dead. What is the word? Dead. Dead. Next word, sad. Next word, sad. Okay. Guess it? Beginning. Very good. Beginning. Middle. Middle. End. Pop. End. Pop. Sad. What is the word? Sad. Now go to the next word. Next word, lab. Next word, lab. Beginning. Beginning. Middle. End. B. End sound. B. Okay. B. Lab. B. Lab. Is it clear? Now go to the next word. The next word, yen. The next word, yen. Beginning, y. Very good. Beginning, y. Middle, a. Sorry, a. End sound, in. End sound, in. Y, a, in. Yen. Y, a, in. Okay. Y, a, in. Yen. That is the word yen. Now go to the next word. The next word, net. The next word, net. Beginning. Very good. Beginning sound. Middle. A. Middle. A. End sound. Ch. End sound. Ch. In a ch. In a ch. Net. What is the word? Net. Okay. Now look at the slide. First word, dead. Second word, zap. Next word, lab. Fourth word, yen. Last word, net. Okay. Now come to the end part of the phonics session. Okay. Now put the next session. What is the next session? Very good. Whole words. Okay. See the next word. Sorry, next slide. Okay. We revised the whole words from previous unit. Okay. See the first word. Or. See the first row. Or. They. Had. Sorry, here. Comes. Once again. Are. They. Here. Comes. Okay. Now go to the second row. See the second row. Brings, brings, makes, makes, gives, gives, of. Okay, of. Brings, makes, gives, of. Is that clear? Now go to the next row. Okay, see the next row. Buy, buy, sit, sit, so, so, much, much. Okay, see the last row. Be, be, us, us. Okay, once again. Or, they, here, comes, brings, makes, gives, of, by, sit, so, much, be, us. Okay, now go to the next session. Okay, see the next slide. Vocabulary words. Sort the pictures by write their name in the correct column. Show the pictures by writing their names in the correct column. They given two columns. Things we get from trees. Next, things we can do with trees. Is that clear? What is the question? Things we get from trees. என்னென்ன things வந்து நீ ட்ரீல இருந்து கிடைக்குது. The second column, things we do with trees. Things we can do with trees. மரத்துல இருந்து என்னென்ன செயலாம் செய்வோம், என்ன வேலையெல்லாம் செய்வோம் அப்படிங்கறத you have to write in the second column. Okay, first one. See the first row. Rest, paper, shade, cotton, fruits, think. Once again, rest, paper, shade, cotton, fruits, think. Okay, first one, rest. This word falls on things we get from trees or things we can do with trees. Which one is correct? Very good. Things we can do with trees. Things we can do with trees. You have to write in the word rest in the things we can do with trees in the column. Okay. You have to write in the second column. Is that clear? Okay. The next word, paper. The next word, paper. Okay. This word falls on things we get from trees or things can we do with trees. What's the correct answer? Very good. This word falls on things we get from trees. You have to write in the first column. Is that clear? Now go to the next word. Okay. Next word, shade. The next word, shade. Okay. This word falls on things we get from trees or things we can do with trees. Very good. Things we get from trees are. Okay. Next one, cotton. Which one is correct? Okay. Things we get from trees are things we can do with trees. Cotton. Very good. This one falls on first column. Things we get from trees. You have to write in the first column. Is that clear? Next, fruits. This is also falls on things we get from trees. You have to write in the first column. Next, think. Think. This is also falls on second. Things we can do with trees. Okay. See the next slide. we will check the answer. Okay. Things we get from trees, the answers are paper, fruits, cotton, shade. These words are falls on things we get from trees. Next column, things we can do with trees, rest and think. This is our answer. Okay, note down. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Okay, see the next slide. Naming words. Sort the words into the correct category. Sort the words into the correct category. Already we learned in the previous class what is proper naming word and common naming word. Proper naming words, what is the meaning proper naming words? It's have specific name, okay, but common, it is common for all. Okay, for example, Rani, this is the proper naming word, but girl, this is common naming word. Okay, they given many words. You have to choose the correct word and you have to write in the correct column, like proper naming word and common naming word. Okay, first column you have to write the proper naming words. Second column you have to write the common naming words. Is it clear? Okay. Now I read the words. Listen carefully. See the first row. Stores, hotel, India, Rani, Kit Kat. Okay. Once again, see the first row. Stores, hotel, India, Rani, Kit Kat. Okay. See the second row. Ria, Sujata, friends, girl, mouse. Ria, Sujata, friends, girl, mouse. Okay. Now find the first one, stores. This word falls on proper naming word or common naming word. Stores. Very good. This word falls on common naming word. Very good, because stores is a common name word. There are many stores there. Pandian stores, Lakshmi stores and etc. So the store is common naming word. So you have to write in the second column. Okay. Next, hotel. This word falls on proper naming word or common naming word. Very good. Common naming word. Hotel is common. Arya Bhavan, Hotel Saravana Bhavan, that is proper. But hotel is common. You have to write in the second category. Common naming word. Hotel. Okay. India. This is proper or common? Well done. This is proper because many countries here. But India is specific name of country, India. So that is proper naming word. You have to write in the first column. Next, Rani. Specific or common? Fantastic. Proper. Because Rani is a specific name of person. You have to write in the first column. Next, Kit Kat. This is proper or common? Well done. Proper naming words. Chocolate is common. Cadbury, Kit Kat, Dairy Milk, these are specific. So Kit Kat falls on proper naming word. Next, Ria. Well done. Ria, name of a person. So you have to write in the proper naming word box. Sujata, proper or common? Well done. Proper. So you have to write in the first column. Next, friends. Proper or common? Very good. Common naming words. Friends la வந்து girlfriend இருக்கலாம், boyfriend இருக்கலாம். But common friends. So you have to write in the common naming word column. Okay. Next, girl. Proper or common? Well done. Common because girls. Rani, Sujata, ivanga vandu specific, but ellarum girl. So you have to write in the common naming word column. Next, mouse. Mouse. You have to write in the common naming word box. Nariya varieties irukla eligalla. So but common mouse, sundali. So you have to write in the common naming word column. Okay. See the next slide. We will check the answer. Okay. Proper naming words: India, Rani, KitKat, Riya, Sujata. These words are falls on proper naming words. Next, common naming words: stores, hotel, friends, girl, mouse. These words are falls on common naming words. Is that clear? This is your activity, students. Please don't forget and do this. Okay. Now go to the next one. Okay, students, now let's revise the vocabulary words from the unit 4. Okay, the first vocabulary word, trees. Trees. Okay, trees means what? Marangal. Trees. See the next word, eating. Next word, eating. What is the meaning eating? Saapidrathu. Okay, eating. Next word, shade. What is the meaning shade? Nilal. Shade. Okay, shade. Next word, wearing. Wearing means what? Anirudhu, podrathu. Wearing. Paper. Next word, paper. Right. Next word, right. Cotton. Next one, cotton. Clothes. Next one, clothes. Agree. Agree means what? Ottukolrathu. Agree. I agree. Agree. Okay? Agree. Swing. Swing means what? Unjaladrathu. Swing. Swing. Climb. Climb means what? Erudal. Mara erudal. Climb. Climb. Think. Think. What is the meaning think? Yosikkirathu. Think. Think. Next word, talk. Talk means what? Pesurathu. Talk. Talk. Stop. Next word, stop. Next word, secret. Next word, secret. Share. Share. Next one, share. See the next one. Okay. Match words with pictures. Once again, we recall the vocabulary words. Okay. Trees. Eating. Shade. Wearing. Paper. Right. Cotton. Clothes. Agree. Swing. Climb. Think. Talk. Stop. Secret. Share. Okay. Match words with pictures. You have to match the words with correct pictures. Okay. Now see the pictures. First one, paper. Next, talk. Very good. Next, climb. Very good. Fourth picture, shade, very good. Next, clothes, very good. Next, next one, secret, well done. Next, rest, right. Okay, you have to match the words with correct pictures. Okay, see the next slide. Okay, see the next slide. First one, paper. Paper, match with correct picture. See the line, already drawn the lines. Okay, you have to see carefully. The first one, paper, match with correct word. P-A-P-R, paper. Next one, talk. T-A-L-K, talk. Picture, this picture match with correct word. Next one, climb. Climb match with word. You can, they drawn line. Climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. Shade. Shade match with correct picture. Next, clothes. Okay. Next one, secret. Last one, right. Okay. Is that clear? I hope all are understood this. Students, I hope all are understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay, in the phonics session, we learnt how to break the word like beginning, middle and end. In the whole word session, we revise the previous unit whole words. And the reading comprehension session, we have many worksheet and done this. Okay, and your homework also. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay, thank you students. Take care.